Well, here we have it, guys. My first time out on the studs this winter. This is my first winter ride. I mean, it's already 2023. Kind of a massive fail on my part not getting out in the last few months. Family's been riddled with sickness after sickness, and I just haven't had the energy. But here we are, finally got the tires on. First time in the snow. It's always interesting riding in the snow. And yeah, it takes a little bit to get used to, but man, is it fun! Feels pretty good. Pretty good. Tight spots. Bike's feeling pretty good. Nice when the ice and snow fills in a bit of the rut. It'll smooths the trail back out. I almost forgot how great the suspension feels now on this bike. Gotta get some weight on that rear end. If you want any sort of traction, you gotta be leaning back. My front end just kept climbing out of those ruts. Yeah, the old rust is thick. So yeah, that's the big key when you're riding. If you've never ridden studs in the winter, I mean, like, look at the ground. You're like, what are you doing? There's no snow. There's no ice. Yeah, fair enough. But the ground is rock solid. Zero bite. And even with the carbide studs in, it's hard for them to hook up when it's slick or just rock hard dirt. You gotta lean back, you gotta keep your weight over that rear tire. Maybe more so than you're even used to. But it's good practice anyways for weight distribution, keeping your balance. All fogged up here. I'm breathing too heavy. Damn mouth breather. Said it was -6 in the truck, and all I've got on is my typical riding stuff from the feet up, so no long underwear. A t-shirt underneath my chest protector, and this windproof jacket. And I am warm. Like, you gotta keep moving obviously, but if I was dressed any warmer, I would be sweating. You kind of want to avoid sweating too much when it's cold out, because you get in some trouble and you gotta stop, then you start to freeze up. You get real cold. Front end's pushing out a little bit. I got to brake with the rear a bit more then. A little bit more snow down here in the shade. Trail's still pretty hard packed. Oh yeah, still feels good. Woo! God damn, I missed dirt biking. Oh. Stay on the trail. Man, conditions are unreal. Get up in the second here, keep the revs low, try and prevent some wheel spin. That's not what I planned. Yeah, the most tiring thing right now on me is my wrist, my throttle wrist. I've lost that articulation strength, I guess. Whoa. Oh yeah, just let it chug up here. Good old YZ with that Apex head. Woo! Thing's awesome. Got so much torque out of that head. Made this bike really enjoyable to ride on the trails. That was funny. I was totally leaning the wrong way on that uphill tiny little log hop, and it just shot me to the left side of the trail, right? And then I just saw those two trees and it's like, my bars will fit between there, and those branches look pretty dead. So through we went, blazing a new route through there. Oops. Braking is another one of the things it's completely different in the winter here. If you are a front end braker, you are not gonna like yourself. The ground, the frozen ground even, that your tires will just push out on. Rear brake, you gotta focus on using that rear brake. It's gonna slide around on you. That's just the nature of riding in the winter. Oh man, this is friggin' great. I almost forgot what it felt like.